Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to go over the May 24th week 14 drop. This is the champion around $448. This is the hoodies. So let's go ahead and then check out the next item. The next item will be this Supreme champion sweatshorts, and this is estimated about $118. You got so many different color. I believe it's gonna be sold out very quickly and fast because summer is coming up. And the next one will be this over dye ripped beanies for $32. Even though it's kind of hot and summer is coming, I'm pretty sure this thing is gonna be sold out quickly as well because the box logo, the tiny box logo in the front of the beanie. So there are like varieties of color that you guys could choose from. And let's go ahead and move on to this. I'm not sure what is this alphabet vase. There's no price for this yet, so it must be expensive anyway. So there's FUCK. I'm not sure what is it. Anyway, and next one will be mesh cargo vest. This one is estimated for $148. So it's got mesh on top and just pure fabric, and you got like all these pockets, Velcro, and I'm not sure. And then on the back is a Supreme. So probably this one probably for like what, fishing or whatever. So let's go ahead and then jump into the next one. Next one will be this half zip warm up. This one is estimated for about $109. Which is not bad, but still kind of pricey. And you got a Supreme on the left hand side of your chest area, and it's like a pinstripe. And the next one will be Supreme Levi's pinstripe trucker jacket, $248, kind of pricey. And then the design looks kind of so for me. I don't want to get it. And the next one will be this Bliss hooded sweatshirt, estimated for $148. I'm not sure what's the pictures in the front of the chest, but I guess mix of different kind of photos and stuff. And this one will be multi-stripe terry tee, $68. It's pretty good price. The striped shirt, I believe this will be sold out quickly as well. Summer is coming up. And the next one will be Supreme Levi pinstripe 550 jean, estimated for $178. It's try to match the trucker's jacket, I guess. And this one is a wash 12 shirt for $118. So it's like a dress up shirt, and then you got the Supreme on the left hand side of the chest area. I believe it's probably embroidery. And the next one will be this alphabet silk shirt, estimated for $148. Kind of expensive. I'm gonna drop this. And then I guess for those people that need to learn alphabet. And the next one will be this Pray For Us Jaguar. So the polo is about $119. And as you can see, you got the varieties of colors to choose from. Next one up would be this Terry logo short, estimated for $98. I believe this will be sold out too. Short is very popular for the summer, and you got a Supreme on the left thigh area. And this is a diagonal stripe nylon hat for $48. This one is pretty unique, and then I believe it's gonna be sold out quickly, even though it's kind of multicolor. Next one will be Supreme Clark original weaver. It's kind of expensive for $168. I'm not sure this is for men or woman, but it's not my style. But I know Clark is pretty famous out there for the brand, and it's kind of comfy. And my mom says it's pretty light because she bought like a sandal that I did unbox previously. And then the next one would be this alphabet silk pants for $158. It's kind of pricey. So this is the design, and this one will be the most expensive of the drop for the Supreme. This is a Supreme Stern pinball machine for almost $11,000. Are you crazy? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please sub, like, and then comment, and drop in a comment below and share. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.